All right, guys, on today's video, we're going to take a look at a really nice case that was sent out to me to review for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, if you have an iPhone or a different phone, it doesn't really make a difference. One of the most important things you can invest in, guys, is going to be a high quality case. Now, this case, like I said, was sent out to me to review, but I have some basic criteria that I look for in a case. One is, how is it going to protect my cameras, as well as the screen protection. And of course, with the iPhone being Magsafe, I want to make sure that it's going to be suitable for Magsafe. This case kind of checks all the boxes. So let's take a look at what this case looks like on the actual phone. All right, guys, as you can see, we have a really nice raised lip around the cameras. That's really nice to see. As far as the screen, there is a raised lip all the way around the screen, so I don't feel, threatened whenever I place the phone down on a desk or a surface. That's really nice. And it also has access to all of your different buttons. So here, my action button, all of my other buttons are available. As you can see here at the base, we have access to our speakers, and we have cutouts for our USB-C. Really nice design for this. And even if you're running a screen protector, I think this is still going to be a very suitable type of case. I like the feel of it. One of its selling features is this ring that you guys see right here. So this ring actually can be used like a pop socket. So if you wanted to hold your phone, to be able to secure it while you're using it, you could use it that way as well. This also doubles as a stand. So if you want to watch some content, you can pop it up. And you could even pop it up in this portrait orientation as well. What I do like about this, guys, is that it has a lot of built-in features. It looks and feels like it's definitely going to be able to protect this phone without any issues whatsoever. So again, if you're looking for a high quality case for your phone, regardless of what that phone may be. Now again, this case is designed for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but again, you can find a variety of different cases out there. But this little ring here, which is 360, so you can adjust this all the way around. As you guys see here, you can rotate this all the way around to any different position that you want to place it in, and then lock it back in place. So definitely take a look at this guy. If you guys are looking for a high quality case, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to put out a quick video showing you guys some of the cool features of this case. Military grade, shockproof, translucent black material, anti-scratch, pretty much everything that you need here. Magsafe, ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace. I'm out.